Tea production increased from 190,000 tons in 2007 to 130,000 tons in the 2004. Every year, 2008, 75,000 tons of the tea are smuggled into Iran. In horticulture, nearly 90 million tons of the horticultural crops will be produced by the end of the fourth project. 2005-2010 fruits, Iran export 35,000 tons of the citrus fruits to the 36.8 countries in the 2008 worth 20.8 million. Iran is one of the major producers of the beer and stone fruits in the world, especially pomegranate, dates, figs, and the cherries. Livestock of the country is very high after the goats, cattle, donkeys, horses, water buffaloes, and mussels. Poultry rearing for eggs and meat is common. One area where the production infrastructure has grown rapidly is the poultry sector. The face of the industry has now changed dramatically so that the entire supply chain process can be done at home. Iran also has a large dairy industry, and in 2006 it is imported about 2 million tons of the feeds grain annually. The rising of the pigs is prohibited in the Iran because of Islamic law. Livestock production increased to 10.3 million tons in 2007 and 9.9 million tons in the last 3 years. The meat consumption per person was 26 kg. Iran produces 950,000 tons of red meats and 1,600,000 tons of the chicken in 2010. Fishing, access to the Caspian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Gulf of Oman, and many rivers provides Iran with the ability to prepare the best fishings, and the government took control of the commercial fishing in 1952 on one government-owned business company. North Shell Company was founded in 1952, and the South Sea Company was established in the 1961. In recent years, illegal and non-seasonal fishing has been established. Various states of the Caspian industrial and the agriculture population emissions and the other inappropriate conditions have endangered the resources of the Caspian fish. Between 1990s to 2004, in the annual catch of the Caspian Sea in the Iran dropped from 98,000 tons to 32,053 tons, including 463 tons of sturgeon, from which high quality caviar is exported. Iran has 1,786 kilometers of the coastline in the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. The southern waters are rich in fish and other marine resources. In 2004, the total catch area on the south coast was 299,000 tons. This has increased on average 12.6% annually since 1976. South Key is either used or processed by the household and restaurants and protected by the industries. Expansion of the fishing infrastructure will cut the country about 700,000 tons of the fish annually from southern waters. However, the increasing population of the oil industries and other enterprises poses a serious threat to the region and fishing industries. Since the revolution, the focus has been on producing fish from the indoor water. Between the 1976 since 2004, the combined acquisition of the state and private sector groundwater increased from 1,100 tons to 110,175 tons. Important fish includes sturgeon, bream, whitefish, salmon, malt, carp, catfish, slip, and roach. More than 200 species of fish are found in the Persian Gulf, of which 150 are rough, including shrimp. By the end of 2008, about 692,000 tons of the aquatics will be manufactured nationwide, out of which 236,000 tons can be produced, and the rest is made from the seawater. Per capita consumption of seafood in Iran will reach 8.5 kg in March 2009 and 10 kg a year later. Iranian caviar exports are expected to reach $22 million by March 2009. Iran is the largest caviar exporters and the exporter in the world, and exporting more than 300 tons annually.